Hi guys, welcome to Jiniga Finance. We're going to be talking about investment scams to avoid in 2024. It's a new year. I know that economy of the country is very hard and we are all trying to make money and do different things, but you have to be very careful. Any company that comes and tells you that they are going to give you 50% return on investment, what are they doing? Run. If not that you yourself, you are a thief and you are a greedy person, what would a company be doing that they will give you 50% return on investment? Even companies, investment houses that have been doing investment businesses for hundreds of years, they don't promise you such outrageous return on investment. So in 2024, whether MMM or recyclers or all those type of things, run away from those things. Okay, if you want to invest your money, look for tested and trusted investment vehicles that you can invest your money. The returns may not be as high as all those ones that they'll tell you 50%, 100%, 90%, and you carry your money and you put. Be careful. Second, investments comes that you have to be careful before you put your money in 2024 is real estate investment. I know everybody says, oh, real estate is real investment, but before you buy a property from a developer, ensure you have a lawyer with you. I have done a lot of due diligence for clients that some they could go ahead and go and buy the property. Some will advise them to backpedal because it will be foolhardy that you carry your hard-earned money and give to a developer that has not finished the paperwork on that property, and after you have done all you've worked hard for your money just goes down the drain. This year we saw a lot of houses in Lagos that were being demolished by the government. A lot of times when those type of things will happen, we say, oh, government is wicked. No, government is not wicked. It's just that when developers are marketing their real estate investment and all of that, and because you see them on Instagram, they have a fine office, their office looks fine, so you think that they are legit. Legitimacy is not by aesthetics office. The fact that a developer has an aesthetic office or can speak English does not mean that that property is genuine. You need to get the services of lawyers, to do lawyers that know what they are doing, because there's some lawyers that may not actually be vast in real estate and property markets, that they will do their due diligence and find out, okay, is there encumbrance on this land? Should you go ahead before you make purchase? One of my clients, he almost fell into trouble. He had already paid for the developer's place, even though at the end of the day it was a genuine land. But before you make payments, that money that you are going to pay a lawyer to go and do their due diligence is small compared to the money you would lose if you just put your money in a real estate property that is not genuine. So in 2024, please and please, before you invest in real estates, do your due diligence. The next business investment schemes that you have to be wary of in 2024 is agro investment. Agro investment, a lot of people have lost their money in agro investment schemes. Not maybe because these companies are scams, it's just that agro investments are high risk investments. Do you understand? They are very high risk, because somebody can be into a poultry farming that maybe the person has not been in that business for more than 2 years and doesn't understand that different seasons temperature will change, and the person comes to the poultry farm and all the birds have died, and you investor when you have put your money and you now heard that birds died, and they've already collected your money, and the investment has gone bad. So before you carry your money and put in agro investments, you have to be wary. You have to check the track record of that investment company. How long have they been in the market? Even though all these things, there's something called the act of God. when it comes to agric, because you could have natural disasters, you could have anything could happen these days. Now that we have Boko Haram, so the farmers in the bush, Boko Haram could go and do something to them. Do you understand? So your investments will just be hanging and your money is gone because you've already spent the money. So before you throw your money into any agric investment, ensure that you have done your due diligence, okay, and you actually know that, okay, this company is profitable, and the management of the company, they are not spending money anyhow. Yes, because that's another thing. A lot of businesses, once they pull funds from the public, the executive management, they go mad. They begin to spend money anyhow, other people's money. So you have to know all this information before you carry your money and throw into any form of investment. Now, another one you have to be wary of are small business owners that also put your money in our business. It's not like it's bad, but you need to know the antecedents of those people. Have they been able to manage money well before? Do you understand? Because we've seen many cases that, oh, something now goes wrong, because before people collect money, you will hear all sorts. You will hear promises from here to Sokoto, from Sokoto to India. We will give you this one, we will give you that one. Then when you put your money, stories upon stories upon stories upon stories. So in 2024, investor, investor, when before you put your money in any form of investment, ensure that it is something that you are actually knowledgeable about, or you pay professionals. A lot of you don't like to pay professionals, you don't like to pay lawyers, you don't like to pay accountants. But before you do any of those transactions, whatever you are paying your lawyer or your accountant is small. Stops. That's it.